Welcome to Kenton's videos. Enjoy the video.
You start by signing into the Google account that contains the docs you want to remove. Once signed in, open Google Drive and switch to List View so file names and dates are visible. This makes bulk selection accurate. Make sure to narrow the visible set by sorting or using the search bar with type Document. Now select the first file. Hold Shift or Control, CMD on Mac, to select ranges or multiple items. That gives you control before deletion and prevents accidental loss. Once you have the files highlighted, right-click and choose Remove or press the Delete key. This moves items to trash rather than permanently deleting them. If items are shared, watch for ownership warnings. You might not be able to permanently delete files you don't own. Make sure to check both drive root and any shared drives. Shared drive files require different permissions. After moving to trash, pause and verify the trash contents to avoid removing something important by mistake. To finish, open Trash and click Empty Trash to permanently delete every item in that folder. This action cannot be undone. If some documents won't delete, they may belong to another owner. In that case, request an ownership transfer or have the owner delete them. Once done, make sure desktop and mobile sync clients reflect the change. If files reappear, check Google Vault, activity logs, or any automated backup/sync that might be restoring them. Resolve those restores before repeating deletion.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.